Good day, everyone. I'm Larissa Joy P. Monreal. And as a youth, how can I help the government in nation building? Reading this question only once cannot construct a meaningful answer. Hence, this must be read again and again and again until one can come up with a justifiable answer. But before I come to a real sense, let me emphasize first as what government nation are. By distinction, the word government refers to system of principle and laws as made practicable by hierarchy of officials for purposes of attaining a common good, whereas a nation, according to Father Horatio de la Cuesta, is a people of common political allegiance, community of people which composed of one or more nationality being controlled by its government. There goes, since politics refers to government, and in politics there is a process of choosing public officials, and who let those officials to be in their position, it is the people. Therefore, there is a correlation between the government and the people, which is the nation itself. We are in a democratic country. Then one of the basic right in a democracy is participation in an election at all level. In order to be truly a democratic, the election process must be orderly, peaceful, and honest. The system should and must exclude all possible ways of cheating. And so, as a youth of today, let us open our heart and mind. Let us not be blinded. Not one, not two, but all of us have an important role to play at this must be with and this must be acted with justice. Let us all be reminded that there are a lot of things more essentials than playing computer games, different vices, social medias, and all. And that is to actively and honest participate for the upcoming election. Let us block the opportunity for the running candidate to manipulate our mind through all sorts of gimmickry, such as vote buying, false propaganda, or deception. However, let us all be aware on the social issues and be knowledgeable between the distinction of good and bad candidates. The results of the decision is in the palm of our hands. This might be an assurance, but at least we did our part. In conclusion, the authority of the political candidate to govern come from the people. Therefore, public officials are held accountable to the people. So if we talk of nation building, we are not referring to the structure of the nation, of course, but maybe what is it that need to be built is the good relationship between the government and its people, of which is the nation. That's all. Thank you. God bless.